Hello mga mi, alam nyo ba, I've been promoting a lot of products lately, but this one really stands out. Let me share to you this super sulit and super effective sunscreen. This one is the SAR sunscreen mga mima ko. It has 90 SPF, kaya kung palagi kayo exposed sa araw, this is your new best friend. Sold over 100,000 pieces, kaya trusted by so many. It's a physical sunscreen mga mima ko, meaning it sits on top of your skin and reflects UV rays right away, meaning hindi mo na kinakailangan hintayin matuyo o ma-absorb ng face. Waterproof and sweat resistant ito mga sister. Perfect for outdoor activities or beach trips or kahit pawisin ka, still protected ka pa rin. It's also oil-free and non-sticky mga sister ko. Hindi malagkit, hindi mabigat sa mukha. And it gives you a fresh, breathable finish. Bonus na lang talaga yung whitening effect niya mga mima ko. Nakaka-glow at nakaka-brighten ng skin with regular use. Pang araw-araw mga mima ko, kayang-kaya. Pang long exposure, aba go na go. I know maraming options out there and yes, I promote a lot of good products too. But if you're looking for a high sunscreen SPF that's affordable, lightweight, and tested safe, this one's worth trying. Hindi mo na kinakailangan gumastos ng malaki for sun protection. This gives you quality without breaking the bank. Dahil naka buy one, take one ito mga mima ko. Check my yellow basket. Check out na!